More breaking news updates coming in, and the Chief Justice of India, Justice Ramana, has in fact voiced his concerns regarding lack of quality debates in the Parliament. CJI, speaking on the occasion of the 75th Independence Day celebrations being conducted at the Supreme Court, he reflected that the lack of debates lead to a lot of litigation in courts, and in the absence of quality debates, the courts fail to understand the object or intent behind the law. Joined by my colleague Meenakshi for more on this. Meenakshi, a very important point being raised by the Chief Justice of India there, essentially saying that lack of quality debates is also affecting legal work, the way courts actually interpret law, because there is no proper debate happening in Parliament. So the intent behind that law is not clear.
Well, absolutely, Tanava, you've hit the nail on its head. Big important words coming from no less than the Chief Justice of India. He's the constitutional authority. He is the Chief Justice of India, incumbent Honorable Justice NV Ramana, lamenting the quality, or rather the lack of quality debates in Parliament while enacting laws. And like you rightly mentioned, he went on to state as to how this leads to a lot of litigation in courts. And in the absence of quality debates, the judges and the courts are unable to fully understand the intention and the objective behind the enactment of any law. So he went on to further observe, and I quote, "Now it is a sorry state of affairs. The laws have a lot of ambiguity. The courts do not know the object and intent behind enacting of law," unquote. So this is hugely significant, because what we have seen recently play out, Tanima, in the monsoon session, and not just this monsoon session which has been adjourned sine die, but even on earlier occasions, we have seen parliamentary debates now become a thing of the past. We have seen disruptions, we have seen agitations, we have seen blame games between lawmakers, incumbent treasury benches or the opposition benches. But what we have perhaps forgotten is the burden this places on the judiciary. Laws are passed, but if the judges and the senior judiciary is not able to fathom the intention and the purpose behind the enactment of such laws, then you can well imagine the situation. So this is hugely significant, coming on the day of the 75th Independence Day of India, no less than the Chief Justice of India lamenting the lack of quality debates in Parliament, and saying as to how this poses a roadblock for the judges and the senior judiciary to also understand the purpose behind the enactment of laws.
That's right. A very important comment coming in from Chief Justice of India there. Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining us with that breaking update.